Hello everyone, we are from Capstone Project GH2PS474 team. Would like to show you our app called Cuaca Tani. But before that, let me introduce our team. First, from machine learning path, there are Wahyu Arif Maulana, which is me, Afi Oktaviani, and M. Farhan Chadwi. And from cloud computing, there are Siti Nurkafa and Sulastri. And last, from mobile development, there is Devi Puspitasari. Okay, let's see our overview first. Cuaca Tani is an application that can help farmers identify the current weather for the farming process.
The background has several points. The first point, weather has a significant impact on agricultural outcomes. Second, every year the number of plants that perish due to extreme weather reaches a significant figure. Third, farmers desire accurate and up-to-date weather information. And lastly, the increasing adoption of technology in the agricultural sector, especially among millennial farmers, is evident.
We create the Cuaca Tani app because we believe that farmers, especially small-scale farmers, need access to accurate weather information and agricultural guidance to enhance productivity. The app aims to address challenges such as weather uncertainty, lack of the technical information, and the need for a communication platform to unite the agricultural ecosystem.
With the similar app, we have the similar app with the Cuaca Tani. The name is Petani Apps. There are various interesting features in this application, such as weather prediction and calculation of farmer needs. But this app doesn't provide real-time weather features according to the user current location. Next. So we create the Cuaca Tani. Cuaca Tani is an app for millennial farmers to get information about weather, land management, and connect farmer industries and the general public. This is the implement and improvement. In mobile development, I create the design UI UX, deploy application, and implement dataset to the app.
In machine learning path, we research and cleaning data set, and then we build end-to-end model. Next.
In cloud computing path, we create API login register with Python, deploy API with App Engine, and create database plans. And this is documentation for login, register, weather, and plan list API.
Here are the documentation steps taken during the process of deploying the Weather API, Login API, Register API, and List Plan API using App Engine. Be sure to carefully follow each step to ensure the success of deployment and implementation. Next. Here is the documentation for the plant database, which function to store information such as the plant name, image, and plant category that will be displayed on the plants menu in the application. Next. The Answer application uses tools Android Studio, Firebase, GCP, Visual Studio Code, and TensorFlow to facilitate the work in the creation and development of the Cuaca Tani application.
And there is a documentation deploy application in Android Studio. Next. This is the UI UX model. There is a welcome screen, login, register, and next. Menu home, menu plan, and the last is menu profile. Next. So this is the demo app. First step, the user can register the account with name, email, and password. Kembali lagi. So the step 2 is login, and there are 3 navigation in this app: home, list, plan, and about. Basically, home button is user can search the location weather, and the app will recommend crops suitable for farming. And there is a plan button. In this button, we can see all of the list plans. And the last one is profile button, the information user. Okay, we can see the recommendation here. Next.
So for the dataset, we got the dataset from Kaggle, and our input is temperature and humidity from the dataset. Next. So for the documentation for model, we use WCSS method to optimal number of cluster. And then in the second picture, we clustering our cluster based by humidity and temperature. Next.
Okay, as you can see, these are our label distribution in each cluster. In cluster 0, there are 7 crops. In cluster 1, there are 12 crops. And in cluster 2, there are 3 crops. We are using TensorFlow model Keras with layers input and shape 2, flatten layers, dense layer with 64 units, and activation function rectified linear unit. Dense layer with 128 units with activation function rectified linear units, and dense layer with units as the length of label encoder, and the activation function is softmax.
Okay, we have some of data model accuracy. We have cluster 1 and cluster 0. Okay, next. And this cluster 2. Next.
So this is our roadmap for local deployment plan. It starts from February until September. Next. So this is the detail of local deployment plan. We start initial MVP launch in February until March, and then the MVP validation in March, and then Google Play open test will be happen in July until August, and then product development and completion will be happen in April until June, and then the public beta release will be happen in August, and feedback review and feature discussion will be happen in September. Next.
Okay, this is some of budgeting data. We have category team salary, service infrastructure, data scientist, product management tools, research and survey, additional salary, and legality patent, copyright registration, product certification. Next. This is some data of budgeting 2. We have all respect coverage budgeting 1, additional budget for research, marketing of and sales, marketing, research, and competitive, future development, other expense, partnership, and community involvement. We have proportion and budgeting in the table. Okay, this is all of our group. Thank you for watching. Thank you.